Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group are going to present the progress of our report. Before we begin, let me introduce our team members. First, Ayuna Azra binti Ahmad. After that, Rabiatul Akila binti Muhammad Hassan, Natasha Begum binti Abdullah, Nurdiana binti Turiman, and lastly, Nurul Izzah binti Muhammad Ekarni. Each member has contributed significantly to the completion of this project through research, analysis, discussion, and report preparation. First, let me briefly go through the content of our presentation. First, Gantt chart. Second, selection of group leader. Third, task dissemination. Fourth, issues and problem. And lastly, solution. Now, let's move on to the first section, which is the Gantt chart. This slide presents the Gantt chart, which outlines the project timeline over a period of 12 weeks. In week 3, we form our group to ensure effective teamwork and a clear understanding of the project objective. We also conduct two group leader selection, as having a leader helps coordinate tasks, manage communication, and keep the project on track. Next, we carried out the company selection and task allocation from week 3 to week 4. This step was important to ensure that responsibility were distributed fairly among team members according to their strength, capabilities. From week 3 to week 6, we conduct company research to gather relevant information about the organization, including its background, operation, and human resource practice. This research provides the foundation for our analysis and recommendation. After collecting preliminary information, we proceed with the interview stage in week 7. The purpose of the interview was to obtain first-hand information and gain deeper insight into the company's actual practice and challenge. The information collected was then proceeded through input analysis from week 8 to 11. This stage allowed us to identify key findings, evaluate existing practice, and understand areas that could be improved. Throughout the project, we also held consultation sessions with our lecturer, Madam Naziha. These consultations were important for receiving guidance, feedback, and ensuring that our work meet the required academic standard. Based on the research finding and analysis, we began drafting the report from week 8 to week 11. This stage involved organizing all collected information into a structured and professional report. Before submission, we conduct a final review during week 11 and 12. This was done to check for any error, improve the quality of the report, and ensure that all project requirements had been fulfilled. Finally, in week 12, we complete the submission of the final report, marking the completion of the project. Overall, this timeline helped us manage our tasks efficiently, monitor our progress, and ensure that the project was complete on schedule.
Hi everyone, so I would like to explain the leader selection process for our group. So before we start working on this assignment, all group members had a discussion to choose a suitable group leader. We believed that having a leader was important because the leader would help coordinate the group, manage tasks, and ensure that the assignment could be completed smoothly and on time. The leader was selected through mutual agreement among all group members. During our discussion, we considered several important qualities such as responsibility, commitment, communication skills, leadership ability, and the capability to manage group activities effectively. We wanted someone who can guide the group and make sure everyone worked as a team. After discussing and evaluating each member's strengths, we agreed to appoint Natasha Begum binti Abdullah as our group leader. We chose her because she showed strong commitment, good communication skills, and the ability to organize tasks efficiently. We believe that she was the most suitable person to lead the group throughout this assignment. As the group leader, Natasha Begum had several important responsibilities. First, she divided the tasks fairly among all members based on their abilities and strengths. This helps ensure that everyone could contribute effectively to the assignment. Second, the leader monitored the progress of each member's works and followed up regularly to make sure tasks were complete according to the timeline. In addition, the leader organized group discussion and meetings whenever necessary. During this discussion, members could share ideas, ask questions, and provide feedback. The leader also helped solve any issues or misunderstanding that arose during the project. This ensured that communication within the group remained clear and effective. Another important role of the leader was to motivate group members and encourage teamwork. By maintaining good communication and cooperation, the leader helped create a positive working environment where everyone could contribute their ideas and complete their responsibility. Overall, the leader played a significant role in ensuring that our group worked efficiently and stay focused on achieving our objective. Through effective leadership, proper planning, and good teamwork, we were able to complete this assignment successfully and meet the required deadlines.
Next, I will talk about the task dissemination. Our group divided the work fairly among all members based on our strength and interest. Before starting the assignment, we discussed the report requirement and identified the tasks that needed to be completed. Each member was assigned specific section of the report. Some members focused on gathering information about Mart and conducting research, while others were responsible for writing and analyzing the HR issue identified from the interview with manager Mr. Zulfakar. How we divided the task? Myself, I will analyze issue 2, and I am responsible to ensuring the information presented by all the members was accurate and well organized. For Nur Izzah, she will prepare for the problem 4 and research company background and organization information about the mission, vision, and organization structure, as well as compiling relevant information for the report. Next, for Nurdiana, she will analyze issue 1 and prepare presentation slide and make sure that all of our issue is same with Mr. Zulfakar information. Next is Ayu Nazira. She's responsible to do analyzing about the problem 3. Help Diana to prepare the slide and gathering the information about the CUMAT. After that, Rabiatu will prepare introduction, conclusion, and references to our report. She also helped me to ensure all members take the role and responsibility to this report. To ensure that everyone completed their responsibility on the time, I, as a group leader, monitor our progress and reminded members about the deadlines. We communicated regularly through WhatsApp and face-to-face group discussion to discuss updates, share information, and solve any problems that happened during the preparation process. At the end of the project, all sections were combined, reviewed, and edited together to ensure consistency and quality before submission. Through this task distribution process, we were able to work more effectively as a team and successfully completed the assignments within the given time frame.
Now, I will explain about the issues that faced during the process of our report. First is communication breakdown. We experienced some misunderstandings during our online discussions, and at times, some members responded late in the group chat, which slowed down our progress. Second is internet connection problems. During our Google Meet sessions, some members faced unstable internet connections and were occasionally disconnected, which interrupted our discussions. Third is scheduling conflicts. It was difficult to find a suitable time for meetings because all group members had different tasks, schedule, class, and personal commitments, making coordination challenging. Fourth is unequal task distribution. At the beginning, the workload was not evenly shared, where some members had more tasks and some may had few tasks compared to others, leading to imbalance in contribution.
Okay, now I would like to explain the solution to the problem faced by our group. First, overcome communication breakdown, we create a WhatsApp or Telegram group for faster discussion, and the group leader was appointed to keep all members updated. Second, for internet connection problems, we record Google Meet this session and share our notes to our member who missed the discussion. We also encourage members to find a stable internet connection before joining our meeting. Third, solve schedule conflict. We use online pool to choose suitable meeting time and plan meeting early. Also, member who could not attend, we also allow to contribute through shared document with ours. Lastly, to avoid unequal task distribution, tasks were divided clearly based on each other member abilities. We also set individual responsible and deadline to ensure everyone contribute fairly. In conclusion, this solution helped improve our teamwork, reduce problems, and ensure the report was completed successful.